guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got a really cool treat for you guys. So I'm back from Supras in Vegas, but a good friend of mine has his own Mark V Supra that he's been building and tuning and taking to a very high level. So this is a 2020 Mark V Supra that you can see has some very tasteful mods done to it. Look at his gorgeous Volk wheels, beautiful T37s. It's got some really nice carbon fiber accents. You can see those around the car. He's got the Mark IV styling wing and carbon finish, which is beautiful. Recently, he's put in some awesome Recaro pole position seats. And you can see more of the details here. Just a great looking little car. Puts down a lot of horsepower, has an aftermarket KLM turbo kit. Here is his handle, so you can follow along if you'd like to meet him and see his car and check him out. Go look at it. KLM turbo kit with a Precision 6466. Still a stock 8-speed automatic, but it's been tuned, so it has different shift points, manages its power properly. I just want to give you a good look at the car. Michael, if you don't mind, go ahead and pop the hood and I'll give people a look at that. We'll check out, you see the license plate. Very fitting, of course. As you all know from my other Mark V videos, I'm not an expert with these B58 motors. However, you can really see when they have an aftermarket turbo kit because it's so visible. It's a top mount style kit. And that is a big boy looking 6466. Beautiful turbo blanket on the back. And again, tuned for serious power. He is flex fuel tuned, so this sucker can take up to E85. Has all the ability to adapt. Just a real fun street strip kind of car that he can drive to work, but also terrorize the freeways and tracks. You can see the BIMTech badge there. It's a shop he likes to use. They've built some mega power cars, so you can check them out. But yeah, I'm just happy to share another cool car on the channel and hope you guys enjoy seeing some Mark V Supra content. Badass. Thanks for watching.